Hi guys, since the floor is the biggest surface to clean in most homes, it's hard to ignore that cleaning chore. Steam mops are handy home appliances that remove dirt and grime while killing bacteria with its hot, powerful steam. The best part is that using a steam vacuum cleaner eliminates the need to deal with buckets or cleaning solutions. When choosing a steam mop, there are a few key considerations to keep in mind. Continue reading to learn how to navigate the features and factors when choosing the best steam mop. The following mops are some of the best picks on the market, having been vetted thoroughly in the selection process. So, let's get started. Number 7, this versatile Bissell steam mop allows users to clean floors, high up and hard to reach places, and so many other areas. It has a steam mop and 2 steam cleaners, extended reach and handheld. Users can clean the house, garage, workshop areas, boats, ATVs, patio furniture, and more. The steam mop comes with varying steam modes and an on-demand trigger to control the intensity and amount of steam released from the mop. In addition, it comes with 29 accessories for tackling indoor and outdoor messes, and it can be conveniently stored with a wall mount for easy and convenient access. Chemical-free cleaning. Sanitize with the power of steam, eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Variable steam modes and on-demand trigger allows you to control the intensity and amount of steam being released. Carry handle, no convenient storage with wall mount for easy and convenient storage. Onboard accessory storage carries accessories with you as you clean. Includes 29 accessories to tackling indoor and outdoor tough messes that can be used on both the extended reach steam cleaner and the handheld steam cleaner. The next is Number 6, this pet steam mop from Bissell cleans and sanitizes various areas throughout the house. Not only does it eliminate 99% of germs and bacteria on floors, but the detachable handheld steam cleaner can also clean a variety of pet accessories like beds, bowls, toys, and carriers. The handheld mop also can clean grime on grout, countertops, stovetops, inside a microwave, and kitchen and bathroom sinks. The steam mop comes with 13 versatile tools, a microfiber soft pad and scrubby pad, odor-removing discs, an attachable water cup, and a microfiber towel. It has an extension cord for hard-to-reach places. The lift-off pet model features a 2-in-1 steam mop, allowing you to tackle pet messes both on and above your floors. The lift-off pet model includes 13 versatile tools for use with the handheld steam cleaner. Heater warm-up time, 30 seconds, eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with the natural power of steam. Power rating, 1500 watts, includes microfiber soft pad, microfiber scrubby pad, odor-eliminating fragrance discs, attachable water cup, 13 tools with a tool bag, and a microfiber towel. Power cord length 20. Number 5, different flooring requires varying steam levels. That's why the 3 adjustable modes of steam on this steam mop from PurSteam make it an ideal choice for hardwood floors or tile. The different settings also help to clean tough stuck-on stains. The steam mop also boasts a sizable 340mm reservoir that allows for 20 to 25 minutes of cleaning on the lowest setting. Apart from cleaning floors, users can use this steam mop to clean carpets, steam garments, and wash windows, mirrors, glass, and other areas throughout the house. The handheld detachable steamer makes all these jobs simpler, and the supplied accessories can be used for different tasks. Light and maneuverable. 3 adjustable modes help you cater the mop's steam level to your specific needs. That's especially important when you're trying to preserve your hardwood floor's finish. The steam cleaner's 380 ml reservoir provides around 25 minutes of steam at the lowest setting and about 12 minutes of steam at the maximum steam setting. One real bonus is that it uses tap water alone to steam off dirt, eliminating the need to buy pricey detergent. Multifunctional household tool, safe to use on any surface you want to clean: hardwood floors, vinyl, tiles, marble, ceramic and porcelain tiles. Not only that, but you can also clean anything around the house with our built-in handheld steam cleaner. Just install the attachment you need and let the steam do all the work for you. The next is Number 4, tile floors have bumps and crevices that can be hard to clean. Although a standard upright steam mop may be just what's needed for most tile floors, the Bissell Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop gives two options. It features a unique dual-mode configuration so it can be used as a traditional steam mop and as a handheld tool that will clean smaller and harder-to-reach areas such as the tile in the shower. The Bissell mop features a variety of accessories: grout tool, angle tool, flat scraper tool, and bristle scrub brush. An onboard storage kit can carry the tools while steam cleaning. This mop can clean any tile surface in a home with ease. Every Bissell purchase helps save pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Powerful handheld steam cleaner and steam mop in one, clean and sanitize sealed hard floors without the use of harsh chemicals, eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with the natural power of steam. Superior, clean above floors with the extension tube, an extra long 25-foot power cord to reach those difficult areas in your home. Onboard storage kit allows you to carry tools while you steam clean: grout tool, angle tool, flat scraper tool, bristle scrub brush. Bonus tools: flat surface tool with mop pad, clothing steamer tool, bristle scrub brush for above floor multi-surface cleaning. All tools can be attached to end of handheld steamer or extension tube. The next is number 3, his O-Cedar Steam Mop weighs in at only 5 pounds. That lightweight might not seem super impressive, but if mopping an entire home, arms won't tire out as easily with a low weight. It heats water in less than 20 seconds, so cleaning can begin immediately. It also has a cleaning attachment that will help freshen a carpet. This model comes with only one extra mop pad, and the water reservoir is opaque, which makes it difficult to keep an eye on the water level. However, it's a good starter steam mop, especially in a small home. Clean better with microfiber. The O-Cedar Microfiber Steam Mop refill pads are super absorbent, so your floors dry faster. The mop refills contain a unique weave pattern allowing steam to penetrate quickly for optimal floor cleaning. Microfiber mops attract dirt, dust, bacteria, and hair better compared to traditional cotton mops. Adjustable steam settings: control the amount of steam with an adjustable steam setting based on your specific floor cleaning situation. The O-Cedar Microfiber Steam Mop heats up quickly, so you don't waste time. From plug-in to steam in only 20 seconds. The next is number 2, one of the worst parts of steam mopping can be handling removable pads after mopping. The Shark Genius can help. It features unique double-sided pads to take cleaning further and a touch-free release, so there's no need to handle the damp, dirty cleaning pads. This mop has 3 steam settings, including an option for blasting stuck-on dirt. The steam can be controlled based on the floor surface or grime level. It comes with 2 dual-sided pads and a flask to fill the tank. This model is easy to use right out of the box. The only downside to Shark Genius is that the tank isn't removable. Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is our most advanced and easiest to use steam mop ever, so you'll have the right solution for all your cleaning needs, from everyday quick cleanups to whole room deep cleaning. The Shark Genius Steam Mop not only cleans your floors amazingly well, its 3-setting electronic intelligent steam control lets you apply the ideal amount of steam in every situation. You'll get extra targeted steam power with our new Steam Blaster technology. The next is number 1, the Powerfresh Steam Mop from Bissell kills 99% of germs and bacteria. The flip-down scrubber makes it easy to clean the tough stains. As it reaches the grout and crevices, the steam mop boasts 3 steam settings of high, medium, and low so that the user can choose the best setting for the type of flooring or stain. In addition, the 23-foot power cord and swivel steering make it easy to reach around the room and in all the nooks and crannies. The steam mop comes with a microfiber soft pad, a microfiber scrubby pad, 2 spring breeze fragrance discs, and a carpet glider. The Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop provides superior steam cleaning with a fresh scent. For those tough, dried-on messes we all experience on our floors and on grout, use the flip-down Easy Scrubber brush to break up the dirt quickly and easily. Cleaning with steam sanitizes floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria in common households. When used as directed, using the microfiber pads. When used as directed, using the microfiber pads. Buying this product saves pets. So this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.